going to cover here is an overview of the course material for how to demonstrate Office 365. So the course outline is that we're going to start off with a lesson on how to actually structure a presentation to a customer or prospect around Office 365. We're going to give you an idea of what products within Office 365 that you should be showing to get the most impact. We're going to give you an idea of the breakup, how long to spend on each topic, and give you some focus points to make the maximum impact for that customer or that prospect when you do that demonstration. Now, the products that we'll be highlighting that should be demonstrated would be something like Delve. So Delve will give you a single pane of glass across all the information sources in Office 365, provide enhanced productivity for the customer, and really has a great visual impact. So that's a great starting point. We then move from that into the OneDrive for Business. So this is an area where users can store their personal private information from places like their C drive or their desktop or their profile to make sure that it's uploaded, backed up, secure, but then accessible via any device. We'll move into security and compliance from there. We'll show you how to highlight how secure Office 365 makes users' information, the benefits of moving it in there, the encryption and all the security that is around the product. We'll also touch on the important compliance points to talk about customers so they understand how specifically engineered Office 365 has been to ensure the protection of their data. Now from there we'll go into SharePoint team sites. This is typically going to be where users move their traditional file server data, but it will give them an idea of the enhanced opportunity by adding things like calendars, contacts, lists, and building a true intranet solution. So we'll show you the important points in the team sites to highlight to make sure that prospects are aware of the benefits that service will give them. We'll then dive into a bit of Skype for Business, noting the importance this has for many prospects who have never been exposed to corporate messaging. We'll touch on things like instant messaging, whiteboarding, meetings, all that sort of stuff that will make a customer's life so much easier because they can now communicate quickly and easily using a product like Skype for Business. Now, the round-off product is Power BI. Power BI will give them a dashboard on top of common data like spreadsheets or website analytics or SQL data, or a whole range of stuff. The important thing here is that Power BI is a very visual, stunning product, easy to use, and resonates with many customers very, very quickly. So we'll show you the important points. We'll give you some tips and tricks on how to present that and make sure that that provides the most impact towards the end of the demo. So the idea here is we'll give you an overview to start off with of what you should be showing, how you should show it, how you should structure it, some pointers on that to help you along the way, and then we'll give you some more detail in the following lessons around the products of Delve, OneDrive for Business, into the security and compliance, the important things to highlight there, the SharePoint team sites, Skype for Business, and Power BI. So we'll give you not only the overview of how to structure a presentation on the product, but we'll dive into those key products and show you the points that really should be highlighted for customers that you should hit on to really make sure you make that impact and garner their interest. So the benefit is they will become much more aware of the product and the features that it provides to them, and by going through the lessons here, you as a reseller will get the benefit of creating a system that you'll be able to repeat on a regular basis and polish up to present Office 365 in the best light to obviously close the deal at the end of the day. So that's the outline of the course we're about to present. So we really hope that you get something out of it, and we'll talk to you in the upcoming lessons.